Which is kind of surprising because it's been
not
like
even that bad, dude.
it's been like 3 hours.
Yeah, it's already had the NGKs in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, definitely good. Your flux capacitor.
Dude, I really want to see what this one looks like.
God damn it, dude. My flux capacitor.
The flux capacitor's out, dude.
You guys, you gotta watch your mouth.
You smelling it?
It smells like fuel.
It does?
Oh yeah, that's why. Of course they're gonna
Dude,
smell
I'm
like
fucking
fuel.
with you.
There's one. I say we tie these up, tie them up, right? Tie them up. It will hang them from your rearview mirror. So when they break one time and one shoots towards your front window, it just shatters the whole window. It's so bad.
You know, I need to do
Sounds a bit worse.
tune up on my car. Let me just have those so I can only buy 2.
Oh yeah?
What?
Do you want them?
Yeah.
Seriously?
No.
Okay. That one came out nice and easy.
Wait, was that 3 or was that 2?
I haven't taken out the nasty one yet.
Oh, okay.
Look at that, dude.
It's not too bad.
That's good.
Yeah, these chambers are pretty fucking clean.
Except for this one.
Well, yeah. Yeah, look at that. That's disgusting.
It's pretty bad.
I'm kind of spooked, guys.
You spooked? Well, that's probably why it was low in oil. I bet
Jesus
that
fucking
cylinder's
Christ,
burning.
dude. That's
Come
probably
on.
why it's leaking.
Put your back into it.
God damn. Holy
man.
shit. That shit's torqued on me.
Dude, get your life together, alright?
Holy fuck, dude.
Just push on it. My neck, my back, eat my...
That's the end.
God damn, bro.
Do you want me to try, man?
Dude, don't be a bitch.
I don't
I'm
know.
about to get a breaker.
There's something wrong with that one. That's not
I
good.
wouldn't get a breaker bar.
That's
Yeah, you don't want to break that.
Snap it.
Snap it off, dude. We're taking the head off. It's,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
it's
yeah.
not.
Snap it.
It's be a
Yeah,
bad
I don't
day.
want to fuck with that.
It's good, dude.
You need to
Do
get it out, man.
I know, but how?
Do it.
Just give it like a little jolt.
BB blaster.
Like a little. No, that's not.
That's
You gotta hit it like that with their
Like with
the
your
meat of your
bigger
hand.
ridge, dude. More leverage.
Dude, it's boxception. Oh shit.
Yeah, you have. Oh. That's a
Damn, someone shit themselves?
Dude,
Holy
who's
fucking.
Is that you? Oh, bro, come on, man. We're in the shop. This is all closed, and you're shitting? Come on, dude.
Oh, that was me. I ripped ass.
Oh, you did?
Oh, you're on.
Yep. Dude, that was solid.
I'm fucking petrified, bro.
He shook.
Shook it.
Dude, Andrew will get it.
I believe in you,
That
Andrew.
is so scary.
Alright, we got the peanut butter blaster.
Old people?
We got peanut butter blaster, guys.
Peanut butter blast.
Use the liberal usage.
Yeah, just
Or the-
It ain't gonna hurt it.
I think we need to be a little.
Alright.
Alright.
Just like bump it. Don't turn it because it might snap in half. So just kind of
Am I stepping out?
work with it. If you come down to like kind of higher, then you'll get a
Go
better
get
weapon.
level with it.
Yeah, get level with it. Come down and shit, dude. That way it's
Level.
Oh, I don't know, man.
No.
Breaker bar. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Compared to
I trust you, but
throw it out there.
Liberal usage.
Liberal. Half the cane.
Triggered.
You ready to run on 3 cylinders?
Jeez, man. That's in there good, isn't it? Oh.
Oh,
he did it.
Said he.
I did what? I broke it?
Did you get a lot of pussy, huh?
Uh-huh.
Like 3 weeks ago. 3.5 weeks ago.
Cheeseburger.
it's over the Nashville.
What?
Right where I had it.
Okay.
But it went, because I filled it up all the way almost to the top, and then like a month later it was down past the minimum for some reason.
Yeah, you're burning oil or leaking it.
Yeah.
If you can't see it on the floor, then it's coming out of the tailpipe.
Jess, you fucker. You broke it, man.
I think you just totaled my car, dude.
That's good.
It probably
JB
does,
well.
does need windshield. I don't never put windshield.
Yeah, obviously.
Where's it catching at?
At like 29.
That's good. If it says, what's it say?
035.
Oh shit.
You're off by.
0.35.
You need to be. You need to be. Look how big. Look how off that is. You need to be there.
I haven't had to replace anything really ever at all. Knock on wood.
Knock on soft.
Way off. It needs to be here. But it goes all the way to like 42.
Jesus, 42?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
What have you done?
I didn't do it. Yeah.
It's supposed to be at 0.35, isn't it?
3.5 to
See, if
3.9.
you come to AutoZone, these are already pre-gapped.
Barely have.
Over to the AutoZone family then.
Well, bend it a little bit.
Yeah, it's only about
It's not much
0.29
off.
right now. We're using the bending distance.
Yeah. Just barely though. Like literally just stoop and it'll gap it. All these other.
There's still one.
I'm gonna do. No, they're good.
Alright.
Where the fuck did all the tools go?
They're all on the cowl.
Oh shit. Don't forget to tighten it down like that.
Dude, I'm blind. No one saw that.
You put it in backwards.
You did?
Yeah.
They're like, oh god, dirt, Honda dirt.
Dude, you're the star of our channel is the turd Honda, dude.
That's why it's called.
It's crusty. It's not a turd. It's like a brake cleaner or something. This.
It's all oil.
My car?
He's shaving it, bro.
Watch out.
Damn, dude. Slow down.
Oh, I was gonna draw a dick.
Yo, why is the Mexican doing the cleaning though? I don't understand.
See?
What is going on here? Like, we got 3 white people here doing nothing.
Yeah, you gotta make.
Looks like a job site. Making sure the social classes stay in line.
Yeah, I got the whip right here.
To omelette in black.
Fucking clean that is.
I'll first throw mine on Andrew.
Fish out the right shit.
That's not gonna work.
Dude, just use your hand.
Just leave it.
Yeah, leave more horsepower.
And then when you get home, take it out, and then they'll never know you actually took a tool.
Yeah, until your driver's
Fuck out of the way, bro. Oh shit, that's deep in there,
I
man.
got it.
Fucking is.
Small hands. Watch out. Oh, shit. Professional good.
Get in there, Chad.
Let the professional get in there. Alright. Let the professional.
You got it.
Oh my god, dude.
Small hands, dude.
Small hands is a benefit, dude.
Yeah.
You know what it's like to not please a girl.
Oh.
Andrew's been down that road a couple times.
Never. My relationships wouldn't last as long if it was horrible, guys.
Yeah.
Relationships don't last. and
You
it's
just
not
use that
good.
military money and buy them things.
What military money? I'm broke.
Bullshit.
I don't have any money.
Can't deny.
Lesbian look-alike. You guys didn't put any anti-seat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, rest in peace, dude.
I never put it in there. But I've also never had a spark plug get stuck on me. So. Not like he did.
Yeah, that spark plug was in there, dude.
What are you talking about?
It's not going down. What I said?
Push it out.
I can't.
Is it not?
Because it'll rip off the skirt.
Here. Go.
Yeah, let's lift up the car. Oh, dude.
He's fucking.
Pillsbury Doughboy coming in clutch.
There we go.
Hell yeah. Dude, he deadlifts the Saab in his spare time.
Those 2 turbos on there is too much. I gotta get that non.
Alright. Hopefully it explodes.
Not yet.
Oh yeah.
Can you do that turbo spool? I can.
What is that noise? Do you hear that? Dude, it sounds like aliens. Dude, they're invading.
I put money on it.
This is a UFO.
It's aliens. There's no other explanation for this
What do
noise.
you think it is?
I'm telling you, I think it's your friend.
Sponsored.
Look how
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. No?
So you don't think it was anything to do with the 15 volt?
No, that's not a belt noise.
Well, now you. Well, it was squilling.
Oh, it was
It's good
squilling?
now, yeah.
Okay. So we eliminated
I don't
one
hear
issue.
that. I don't hear that noise.
Oh.
Whatever you. That's the only thing.
I want to get Brian.
Yeah, you should get Brian. Maybe Brian will know.
Fucking cold, dude.
Man, it'll be a bitch.
I'm Mexican, man. We're not used to this kind of weather.
It's coming right down here.
What are you talking about, dude? You guys have ponchos.
Have you ever taken this off? Have you ever opened this up?
I don't know.
You don't.
That's a no.
That's
You
probably.
should.
Dude, if there's like shit in like
open this
the
up.
turbo, in the air
We need to
filter.
get in.
Please tell me you have that short like this like that.
Not yet.
Oh my
The two.
god, dude, that's like the first mod.
He's a
Alright,
flathead.
that's cool. Alright, chill.
That thing's holding it all right here.
Oh my god, dude. How grody that
That's
was.
not too bad.
Oh, fuck that. That's
a lot better
terrible.
than I thought.
Go clean
I
it.
mean, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be, but that is god awful.
Right? And I'm second in line here.
I'm a diesel mechanic.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna ruin this whole thing, bro.
Whoa, what are you guys screwing over here? Wait a minute. I'm not trying to be here for like another 2 hours, dude.
We're gonna check for shaft play.
Turbo noises are scary.
You can play with my shaft.
No, it was a 7.
You good, bro?
It was a 7. Dude, you said it was an 8.
I said it might be a 7. Weird
What? You
engineering.
bitch.
Engineering.
Dude, that truck's been running for like so long.
Let it run, dude.
It'll come back to you if it really wants to.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, work it.
Work it, work it, work
Oh.
it. What the fuck
was
just
that?
Oh, the
Where's
clamp.
your clamp?
Yeah, chill, bro.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Relax.
Alright, feel for that shaft play, my
Yeah, feel my shaft.
dude. Feel his shaft.
There's oil in there.
I'll play with it.
There is? Well, yeah, there should be oil in the turbo.
Oh,
Yeah.
No, there's a lot.
Let me see.
let me see this.
Isn't there supposed to be a lot of oil?
Dude, check for play. That's how you check if a turbo is
It's all
crap.
over in your intake, too.
Dude, there's no shaft play. What the hell? Dude. Oh,
Is it
there
in
is
here
play.
too?
There is play?
Yeah, there's shaft
Like
play.
a lot?
Not a lot, but there's some. And there shouldn't be any.
Supposed to be some.
Let me feel that. Let me feel that.
There's supposed
Oh,
to
no.
no.
Feel it. It's not too bad.
Someone keep under there.